Hello friends, welcome back to STNMS YouTube channel. This is Deepali Mule. Today we are going to discuss about ways of communication, class 4 subject science. As dear students, in this video we are going to learn about communication in written form and communication in audio form. Let us see the many more things about communication in written form and in audio form. Now the first we are going to discuss about communication in written form. So in communication in written form, we are going to discuss about letters and we are going to discuss about postcard. As the person who wants to write a letter may use a postcard, inland letter and envelope also, as we can use the letter to send information from one place to another place, as people need to write the address of the person, so address is also must on that and stamp is also must, as we can send any invitation card, as we can send any message from one person to another person through the letters, and then we can put this letter nearby post box. Afterward, that postman can come and can collect all the different types of letter, and they can separate that letter and they can distribute to the particular recipient. As the post office, they are sorting the letters and according to the address they are sending from one place to another place. So this is one of the method. Nowadays we are using one popular method, that is the email, as email is an electronic mail, or we can call as a email. It is an internet service that allows people who have an email address, as we can send any messages from one place to another through the email, and that message can send quickly from one person to another person. Now dear students, communication in audio form. Let us see, here we can use the telephone also, mobile phone also. So these are the examples of communication in audio form. Again, one more example I want to tell you, that is radio. So with the help of radio we can give information from one place to another place. So let us see what is meant by telephone. So the telephone, it is a very common device for communicating over a distance, as we can use this telephone to communicate from one person to another person, as we can dial the number and that call goes from one person to another person. Now what is mobile? So this mobile, it is an electronic device used for telecommunication, as we can also send our voice message from one person to another person. In addition to that, we can use the voice communication also, as new generation mobiles are there. So in that we can use many more things like internet, gaming, Bluetooth, again camera, different types of recorders are there, different types of videos, MP3 player, everything is available nowadays, as we can send message from one person to another person through the different types of media. So in the mobile phone, GPS system is also available. Again, different types of apps are also available, as we can give any knowledge from one person to another person through the audio form. How it works? Let us see. So the mobile phone communicates by sending and receiving through the radio waves. So radio waves are very important. Through the radio waves, we can communicate from one person to another person. And just like the waves created by the dropping a stone into a pool of water. Here you can see the waves created by dropping a stone in a pool of water. So like this way, that all the radio waves can pass from one person to another person, and that radio waves can spread in all direction. Base station, as this is the radio waves, they can pass from one person to another person, and that can spread quickly, they can spread in all direction. Let us see, the request is sent over the network to find other person on phone, and like these base stations are there, so that radio waves can reach to that nearest base station. Again, the base station nearest to that caller, it connects with the other nearest base station, and it is nearest to that receiver. Since radio waves moves at the speed of light, so it can spread very quickly and we can listen the sound of that person. So dear students, in this video we learn about communication in written form and communication in audio form. I hope you may have understood this topic very well. So thank you and have a nice day.